Ooh, your girl look real crazy. Real crazy. What's up? It's your girl Penny Savage. Welcome to my little channel. Hi, how are ya? Well, today, Mama's gonna shave her eyebrows off. Yes. Watch me wreck my face. Okay, so I came across Amber Scholl's video where she was talking about her how she'd had plastic surgery, but like not really. It was all makeup. And she had her eyebrows shaved off. Like she had the tails of her eyebrows shaved off. And I don't know what made me want to try this, but I was like, you know what? Let's give it a shot. Because I've been looking at different shapes for my brows. I have been doing my brows since I was like 13. Like my brows are super duper light and sparse. So I have always had to fill them in. And I've tried it all, honey. So I'm not scared to shave them off because I've never had a lot of them anyway. So let's try it. Let's get right into it. I have the Revlon Smooth and Perfect Face Defuzzer. I don't know if you can see this, but this is what I'm gonna use. I think I got this at like Walgreens, if I'm not mistaken. I got it like a while ago, but fresh out the pack. I'm gonna use this. All right, I'm just gonna get a makeup wipe and wipe off my brow makeup because I do have some on right this minute, because I'm batch recording today. All right, so I've taken my brow makeup off. Now I'm gonna start shaving. So I'm gonna start like right here where my arch starts. So like right there. Yeah, I'm gonna start right here. Ooh, child. This is I know I said I wasn't scared, but you know what? Your girl might be a little scared. Let's do it. I don't even know how to use this dang thing. That's a razor. That's a whole ass razor right here. Ooh! You know what? I'm scared that I'm gonna cut myself, so I'm just gonna pluck them. Okay, get these tweezers out, cause baby was about to. Okay, might as well get a couple strays out the way, huh? Y'all, the tail of my brow is gone. It's gone. It's gone. Bye-bye. I'm gonna go ahead and hop off and do the other side, okay? And then when I come back, I'm gonna fill them back in. All right, y'all, so I got the other one done. And I'm gonna go ahead and actually wipe them down with an alcohol wipe. Cause the last thing I want is some pimples up here. And I tend to break out whenever I pluck my brows. So, just gonna go ahead and go over that with a little old alcohol wipe. All right. Ooh, your girl look real crazy. Real crazy. Yes, I look like a super villain. Woo! So now I'm gonna try and do my brows. Ooh, baby. Okay. This is not a makeup tutorial, so don't watch me do my brows and be thinking that this is how you should do your brows, okay? I ain't about to cry yet, so okay. I think the problem here is that this is not plucked evenly. My left eyebrow truly just never has loved me. I feel like I need to add a little extra wing with this look. I don't hate it. It's mad different. It is mad different. All right, let me change up my eyeliner and I'll be right back. Since I took my brow out further than it naturally grows, I took my liner out too to kind of extend my eyes, make my eyes pop a little bit more. What do y'all think? Look, fierce. I'm gonna insert like a before and after to compare. So I'm gonna put those two side by side and I'm gonna let you be the judge. I might not ever let them grow back out. Like, because I have a super round face, it likes to pretend that it's oval sometimes, but it's actually super round, but it's wide. And I feel like this brow shape and the way that it's extended out kind of, it makes my face look more proportionate. I love it. I really do. I like it. I'm gonna keep my brows like this forever. Let me know if you're thinking about doing this, and if you do, I would love to see a picture. My Instagram is below in the description. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It's free and I will love you so much. All right, thanks for watching.